The level of speakers is unbelievable. I will tell you, Josh Brost from Relativity, they are 3D printing rockets. More than 85% of the rocket is being 3D printed. It's really unbelievable, cutting edge. And you're really only going to get that type of exposure at a venue like this. And so to answer your first question about the value of the program, I think it speaks for itself. He was one of the presenters. Another one was Dr. Melissa Orm, and she has 15 patents, and she is almost, you can say, the founder of additive manufacturing. In addition to her esteemed distinguished career in academia as a full professor at UC Irvine, she's now a vice president at Boeing. We've had a vice president at Lockheed Martin who runs, manages over 6,200 employees. The caliber of the presenters, the caliber of the delegates, and the value and the topics that are extremely relevant has been amazing.